Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are going to drive through the largest shopping center in Jamaica. We're going to drive through Fairview Shopping Center. This is by far the largest shopping center in Jamaica. It's located in Montego Bay, Jamaica, and we are on Alice Eldamayo Drive, and if we had continued straight up we'd go up to Bogue Road. So that's just to give you an idea of where it is. Now, if you've been following the channel, you know you need three things for a successful plaza. One, you need to build it in a populated area. This is Montego Bay, Jamaica, the second city. Very populated area. Two, you need a brand name supermarket. And this plaza is so big that it has two. It has high-low and progressive foods. And the third thing you need is a food store. And this plaza has everyone you can think of. It has Wendy's, Mother's, KFC, Tutti Frutti, you name it. If the store is in Jamaica, it's here. The only fast food chain or restaurant that I can think of in Jamaica that's not in this plaza is Burger King. They don't have a Burger King in this plaza, which is very strange. Nonetheless, there's Mother's straight ahead. There's Subway, there's Wendy's, Sakura restaurant, you name it, it's here. Also, every store in Jamaica, major store, probably has an outlet here. From Singer to Maxi, registrar companies offices here, TP Friendly, City Center, too many to name. But if you want to buy something in Jamaica and you can't get it in this plaza, chances are it's not sold in Jamaica. There is Advantage General. You have almost every bank has a location in this plaza. You have NCB, Scotia, Sagicor, First Caribbean, whatever that bank name now, CIBC, First Caribbean. Bank has changed names so many times, but it's here. That's the NCB branch on the left, and on the right is a Progressive Food supermarket. That's Court straight ahead. And not only is this is the largest mall or shopping center in Jamaica, it's also the largest in the English-speaking Caribbean. Notice we said English-speaking because apparently there is. When we said it before, a few persons commented that there is one in a Spanish-speaking country that is larger. So this is in the English-speaking Caribbean. The Sagicor Bank straight ahead. There's a Starbucks in here as well as a Cafe Blue. I think those are the two largest coffee outlets in Jamaica. Oh, that's CIBC Bank before, so it still uses the name CIBC. to this building straight ahead, that's a Progressive Food supermarket. Okay, on the other side is the High-Low supermarket. As we said, there are two brand name supermarkets here, or I should say large supermarkets. And this is a new, well, fairly new plaza. But the stores you'll find are very modern, or I guess new. Okay, the official name of the bank is CIBC First Caribbean Bank. And that's Starbucks on the left. Alright, so we just passed Starbucks on the right, and then straight ahead now is the NCB Bank, their Fairview branch. Alright guys, thanks for taking the tour with us today. Hope you enjoyed the drive through the Fairview Shopping Center. Alright, remember to like, share, and subscribe. Have a good day.